Oof. Oh my goodness. Excellent. Look at that. Wow. You nervous?
No.
Okay, good. Don't be nervous. Don't be nervous. Don't be nervous. You're gonna come left face down right there. Put your hands right there on those handlebars. See, tight. She's too compressed and tight. It's no good. And all this. The sacrum is the keystone of your spine. Hip bones lock in. Your tailbone, you sit on it, and it gets all tight and compressed. That's no good. And it's tighter on this right side, right there. And then all this tight, all through here. All that, real good. Turn to this side, face me. She's good. We're taking the boo-boos away, okay? No more boo-boos. Straighten this bottom leg out. Get this one right here, get that one right there. Right here and here. Slide towards me. See? Look at all that tension you have in your spine. All the way through. It's no good. Look at that. Wow. This is the issue. Pain is not the problem. It's just a symptom of the problem. Pressure, tension, and stress. Other side. Get this one here, get this one here. Slide a little bit more towards me. Right there, I got you. Right here, right here. Good. Wow. Wow. All that. She's smiling, look.
She is.
Let's stand up. That was good. You're gonna put your back up against that pad right there. Right here and here. Tuck that chin. Take a deep breath in. Roll it all the way out. All the way in. All the way out. There you go. Drop those arms. Relax. Breathe. Put your head back. It's painful just to put your head back?
No, I have my butt.
Oh, the butt. The butt doesn't make you go back. How's it feel right? No, leave it, leave it. You okay? How's it feel right now?
So much better.
Again, because she's compressed and tight. It's not the pain that's the issue, it's the posture. She's compressed and then he was doing her hair and then tightens up. See, the price of beauty. The price of beauty is what happens to us. Gonna hang those arms over the side. This is her first time, so she's a little nervous. See all that tight? Right there. Drop the shoulder right here, nice and relaxed. Ooh. Oh my.
Wow.
See all that tension?
Mm-hmm.
That's good. Drop that head again right here. Nice and relaxed. No. It's the other side. This one right here again. Same thing. Drop that. Oof. Oh my goodness. That's a lot of tension. Drop that head back. Wow. Good. Oh. Ooh. Feel that pressure? Come lie on your back, face up.
Oh, you got some good cracks.
Yep, very much so. You need give me your hands. Stretch it. Keep breathing. Good. Down here. Now we're going to decompress. We're going to make Molly taller, okay? Put that head. Put that head all the way back.
So all this is totally okay to do?
Yeah, of course.
Those cracks feel dangerous.
I would never do it if it was dangerous. All the cracking is, everybody gets nervous, say the right? We don't crack the bones. All it is a pressure change inside the joint.
Because I cracked my neck, but not like you.
But no, well you're not gonna get specific like I can.
No.
Or another chiropractor can. What all the noise is just a pressure change in the joint. Just like when you open a wine bottle, you pull the cork, and you're a pop. Same thing in the spine. We don't push your bones together. We open them. And it's just pressure change. That's all it is. You know, we don't crack the bones. That's not fun. And when you open the joint, pressure is released, then you feel better. Takes the pressure, tension, and stress off your spinal nervous system. Take a nice deep breath in. Blow it all the way out.
Ah!
Exhale. So keep breathing. Keep breathing. You okay?
That was crazy.
Just a little scary. But she's good. See, mommy's smiling. Thumbs up. Okay? Now we're going to get her ankles too. Don't forget the ankles. That's it. Got to remove the pressure.
That felt crazy.
Crazy, right? Crazy stuff. Oh. Wow. That was good. How do you feel?
I feel good.
Better?
Much better.
Less pain? Any pain here
The pain
now?
doesn't hurt anymore.
So the pain is gone,
Yes.
basically. That's awesome.
Wow.
Pressure, tension, and stress. Pain is just a symptom of the problem.
So
Most of the time, it's the pressure, tension, and stress built up in your spinal nervous system from bad posture.
That's so good.
So when you do your hair, you need better posture next time. You can't.
That was so good. Thank you so
That's
much.
awesome.
That was so good.
Good.
So
Never be afraid to get adjusted, ever. Boom.
No, so good.
She's next.
You ready?